Vybz Kartel retrial hearing set for June the 10th in the appeals court. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Court of Appeal has set June the 10th, 2024 as the date it will begin hearing submissions on whether to order a retrial for dancehall entertainer Vybz Kartel and its three co-accused. The hearing is expected to take place over a 5-day period the Court of Appeal ordered on Friday. The order comes weeks after the Judicial Committee of the UK Privy Council overturned the murder conviction and sentence of Vybz Kartel and his co-accused Sean Campbell, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John due to jury misconduct. The matter was subsequently readmitted to the local Court of Appeal to decide on a matter of retrial. The appeal judge, Justice Marvin McDonald Bishop, ordered on Friday that the defense attorneys representing the men must submit their submission on or before May 6, 2024. The prosecution's deadline to submit their submission is on or before May 31, 2024. Vybz Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, and his three co-accused were previously convicted on March 13, 2014 of the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. The Jamaican Court of Appeal dismissed their appeal against the conviction, and their case were then handed over to the UK Privy Council. Lord Reid, Lord Lloyd Jones, Lord Briggs, Lord Burrows and Lady Sindler heard the appeal during the 2-day trial at the UK Privy Council in February. They decided on March 14 that it was unsafe to allow the tainted juror to remain on the jury, which decided the man's fate in 2014. The juror was later convicted of attempting to bribe a fellow juror. Following the ruling, the UK Privy Council, Vybz Kartel and its three co-convicts remained behind bars awaiting the decision of the Jamaican Court of Appeal related to a retrial in the murder case. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to comment this in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.